Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste friends. I had made a short video on creating east, north and south charts in Excel, and there were some corrections to be done for that as pointed out by some of our observers. A profound thanks to Mr. Prakash G of Jyotishi's channel, the YouTube channel Jyotishi. He did an excellent work. He took up the Excel that we provided as a short in the last video for creating Rasi charts automatically using VBA. Now it is much cleaner because what he did was he improved upon the formatting of the text. He also converted group of shapes to picture so that there is no confusion when user clicks and drags it here and there. So that part of the code is what is carried forward in this Excel. Thanks, Jyotishi. Therefore, I deleted that short video and I'm now recreating a separate video on this topic. Now, see, by the click of a button, you can create and remove or move the South Indian. Some reformatting has been done. So the one has to give all the DOB inputs here, and then these various tables are created. This is essentially a Rasi chart for this is the South Indian style of the Rasi chart. Okay. Similarly, an East Indian Rasi chart, in my previous short video, I had made a mistake assuming that this is the left box is always the East. That's not the case. My understanding was wrong with respect to the East Indian chart. In the East Indian chart also, all the boxes are fixed rasis, just as in South style. So yeah, but only thing is here it is clockwise. Here the counting goes from Aries, Taurus, Gemini in the reverse direction. So it's otherwise exactly the same as the. So I am just presenting the Rasi chart for the case of the East and the South styles. Whereas for the North Indian style, which is extremely well suited for Bhava representation, I have taken the Sripati Bhava here. So for Sripati division, we need to know the ascendant degree and the MC, which is the 10th house degree. And then we can divide this as per, you can see the Sripati Bhava, how these numbers are got. This is just one UDF which gives all these numbers together. So essentially, it will from the first it will get the 7th, which is 180 degrees apart, and from the 10th it will get the 4th, which is 180 degrees apart, and then it will equally divide this region and equally divide this region. Later equally divide from 7 to 10, 8, 9 and 10, and then 11, 12 and 1, right? So it has the edges, so it will equally divide that way. And here because first we know the ascendant, which will be the first mid. So in Sripati, the mid is the first. So there were some doubts by some of our viewers saying that it is not matching and all that. That was in a way true for the East Indian chart, where I assumed the boxes change the signs, but it's not the case. All the boxes are fixed signs in the East Indian. In the North Indian, which is extremely well suited for the house division, I have just represented the Bhava chart, not the Rasi chart here. So this would be the first house. Second house is this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So for the Bhava, it takes the contents from this Bhava table. Whereas for the Rasis, which is for the South Indian and the East Indian, it is taking the contents from this table. And Bhava computation is, as I said, as per the Sripati Paddhati. In case you want another Bhava representation here, like say equal Rasi or whatever divisions that you want, you have to just play with these numbers. You have to put different numbers here, which is the start, mid and end, and this picture would change. So essentially the North Indian is the best suited for North Bhava visualization. The east and the south are well suited for Rasi visualizations, and therefore all three are now available in our Excel. You can just click here after giving, and it will place it here. Similarly, you can click here, you can place it there. You can click and you can move it, these things anywhere you want. So those are the advantages. And in case you want the initial placement itself to be changed, you can go and modify the code in the back. Okay, and you can give number of other people's data also. And once you change the name of the person, these charts would also automatically change, because I have given in the code. Okay, I think I'll let to. Okay, it is here. When something is calculated in the sheet, it will automatically update, because it will call all the three charts. Okay, so that way it will update by itself. You can visualize, and this is how it is made. If there is any mistake, please do point out. We can make a correction and redistribute the file. Thank you. You can download the Excel from the description. All the very best.